Well, it's raining and I don't have my rain suit. So this is what happens to a biker when they're not prepared. They get wet. Oh, what's up? It's Tuba Billy. It's kind of a gloomy day. It's been a gloomy past few days, actually. Like Monday was, what was Monday? Yeah, Monday was so rainy. I didn't ride my motorcycle. I was like, you know what? And my wife said, no, I don't need to go anywhere. So I took the van. Then yesterday went down to Jessup. So about a 4 and a half, 5 hour ride. Drive. I went with my dad. And went to a coworker's retirement. And today, riding around, going to some schools, and going to my son's therapist's appointment now. We got a parent meeting. What are we doing? And I'm hoping, yay, the light turned green. Hoping that it doesn't rain too much harder, because I really don't want to get soaking wet. Riding in the rain. Oh gosh. Is a little more stressful than riding when it's dry, because you know, wet roads, tires could slip out from under you. So you got to be a little more cautious, a little more careful, especially on turns, because you never know where an oil slick's going to be, and that could put you on your butt pretty quick. Be a bad day for you. But it is, it's not raining too hard. It's like sprinkling, misting, I guess. So hopefully I won't be getting too wet. Normally I carry my rain gear with me all the time, but for some reason I took it out. And I took it out a while ago, and I haven't put it back in yet. Oh, dumb mistakes. But anyway, that's the life on a bike. I'm not gonna slam on my brakes, because I would probably slide. I just ran that red light. But not by much. If a cop comes and say, look, it was either I slam on my brakes and risk falling down, or squeeze through. That's the options that I said that I had. Because this is a newly paved road, so it isn't pitted. It's very slick, very smooth. Get a little bit of water and oil on there. It's a recipe for disaster. But I'm coming up to my least favorite section of road here in Noonan, Bullsboro Drive. Hopefully being middle of the day, hopefully it's not too bad, but this area is so busy, so congested. I'm constantly feeling I'm gonna get run over, sandwiched, or rear-ended, or just obliterated through here. And another red light. But this is like the main drag, where all the businesses are and everything else, all the restaurants. Uh-oh. It's a wambulance. Okay. Anywho, this is, you know, you can just kind of tell the traffic. There's just a lot of extra cars, and there's road work too, so that adds to it. And I feel like people just don't pay attention that well. So, you know, when they're not paying attention, they're more likely to run into you, like what happened to me right over there, actually. Leaving the Chick-fil-A a while ago, got rear-ended on this motorcycle. And what is that? A bird pooped on me, and then the water is washing it away. Yum. Oh, this thing needs a wash. I washed it a while ago, and then like the next day I was parked at work, and they came to do the yard, and they weed eated and threw grass all over it. I was like, you freaking kidding me? Come on now. Come on, man. Especially these stops. There's a lot of oil on the ground from trucks like this one. So be extra careful. Excuse me. Cracker Barrel smells good. Gotta be extra careful, especially when you stop and put your foot down. Make sure that you've got enough traction. What's going on? I do not like this road. I do not like its semi-am. Why were you braking? There was literally nobody in front of you. Just pray for me on this road. It is not a fun road to be on. I'm constantly looking left and right, constantly looking behind me for that one idiot on the phone that's gonna make me a grease stain on the road. Lots of intersections, lots of places for people to do dumb things, not paying attention, not looking for motorcycles. Anyway, and I feel like once I get past this main strip, it's not as bad. There's still some more traffic, but there's not as many crossroads. And so I don't feel as vulnerable. Once we get up here, kind of past this next light, it's a little better. But this is definitely kind of a hairy, scary part of the road. I'm always on my toes, always head on a swivel. And you gotta be on a motorcycle because you ain't got no protection. Somebody sideswipes a car, I mean, that's some damage to the car. As long as you control it, you're okay. Somebody sideswipes a motorcycle, that just destroys my leg. And then I probably fall over and destroy the other leg, or head, arms, whatever. Anyway, I feel like I'm just kind of rambling on, and now that I'm past the scary part, should be all good to go. It has mostly stopped raining. I still feel some mist. It's just kind of, it's just in the air, I guess. And there's so many freaking lights. It's another reason I hate this road. So many lights. There's a semi up here. I'm gonna get stuck behind a semi. Anyway, it's a gloomy gloomy Wednesday. Just please be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.